Hey everybody, so I went to Walmart, picked up some knives and some power strips. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Also went shopping for Thanksgiving. Alright, thank you for watching. Alright, so this is going to be a quick video. Went and picked up these Mossy oak knife packs. This one it's got clip point and gut hook. It's got 4 blades for the clip point, 2 for the gut hook, and 1 saw blade. And it's basically a foldable knife that you can put these different blades on this top one, and then it also comes with a different handled pocket knife, and this one has the saw blade on it. I thought it was pretty neat. You take a couple star bits out, star nuts or bolts, and you basically just remove the blades. I thought that was pretty neat. That was $20. And then pick this one up. This one has 3 blades included for the pocket knife as well. It's got the exact same, you remove the 4 screws, you pull the blade out, put the new blade in. This one comes with a multi-tool, a flashlight, the batteries, some extra blades, and the pocket knife. I wanted to mess with the pocket knife. I figured I'd test the multi-tool out. If it's worthy, I'll just give it to my wife because she wants a multi-tool. And then pick this 3-pack of Gerbers up. The Paraframe, the original, my wife's getting that one, and I'm going to test out these 2 at the other end, which is the Ripstop 2 and the Air Ranger, which is a clip folding. They're all clip folding knives. This one has a serrated edge, the Air Ranger, folding liner lock, aluminum grip, pocket clip. The Ripstop has serrated edge, folding frame lock, pocket clip. And the Paraframe, fine edge, folding frame lock, pocket clip. I had the Paraframe 2, which is the bigger version. Paraframe 2 is actually about, with handle and blade, it's like 8 inches or so, if I remember correctly. They got lost. I picked up 2 of these 10+1 Ultra Pro surge protectors from GE. 500,000 connected equipment warranty, adapters, spaced outlets. It's got 4 of those. Power filter provides a sharper picture. Protection rating is 2,880 joules. It's got 2 USB ports. I picked 2 up. I have like 3 or 4 of these. I need to do some organization for my power tool chargers and everything. And I also picked up this 7+2 Ultra Pro surge protector with USB charging. It's Ultra Pro just like the 10+2, but this one's a 7+2. So this one's 9, this one's 12, but this one is going to go over here to replace this cheap generic one. These have flat plugs. I don't like how this is sticking out so far, so we're going to hook that up, and it will protect everything that's plugged in over here, the batteries and everything that I charge and everything like that. So eventually I'm going to do a review on one of these, because one of these 10+2s, because I have so much experience with them. And then I'll give a review later down the road on how I like the 7+2. But you can't go wrong getting the Ultra Pro surge protectors from GE. I did have one go out on me during a lightning storm. It got struck by lightning attached to my house, and GE did pay for all of my broken equipment, which was like a $1,000 TV, and that's actually a couple $1,000 TV, and a couple Xboxes and some other stuff. And so they do have a good warranty. They do stand by their 500,000 connected equipment warranty, which is very nice. But we're gonna get these open, I'm going to do an unboxing and we'll show them up close. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.
Yeah.